If you want to know how to restrict someone on Messenger, then this video is for you. In just a few simple steps, you can hide your Messenger activity and move anyone's chat out of your sight. So if you're tired of dealing with someone who won't leave you alone, make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to put an end to it. To get started, open up the Messenger application and then find the person that you want to restrict. You can tap on the search option at the top, or you can scroll down your chat list and find them. Once you find the person that you want to restrict, open up their conversation and then tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the bottom and under the Privacy and Support section, you will see an option called Restrict. So go ahead and tap on that. And it will move their chat out of your sight, so you won't get message notifications from them, and it will also hide your Messenger activity from them. You can also unrestrict them at any time if you change your mind. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.